You a bitch.
Ooh.
Got a riot shield.
What the fuck?
That's a stun bomb. It's a flashbang, if you will.
It's a flesh boom. Sounds like some off-brand. Never mind. Oh, look at you getting rewarded when you go to the shrine.
Ash, stop fucking stealing my shit.
God damn it, you
Alright.
guys.
I won't do it again.
Sure you won't.
Hey, guys, fucking see you. I don't take fall damage, bitches.
I took all damage.
Aiden took some fall damage.
All damage, but I don't care.
Bro, I feel like I'm attacking so damn slow. So what does the Kaio Essence do?
It increases your ability. Just read the damn description.
But I want
It
this
gives
or
you buff.
Sensu.
I like the Kaio Essence. It's personal preference. Senzu is just no shit button.
Found
Do not.
own.
Do not.
No clue the amount of self-control that took, Aiden. You have no perception. Fuck.
I mean, it's
That's
just
in the
white.
first
You can have it if you want.
Gasoline.
Yeah. Take it.
Actually, I want a booster shot. My attack speed, because I already have gasoline. God, I love being able to fly.
Yeah, all of you managed to. You all managed to get to all the boxes before I can get to them. So like.
Well, I'm saving that one, so. Damn whiteys. I can say that. I am allowed,
Mine.
because I am a cracker.
That's right. I work at the Cracker Barrel.
I am the Cracker Barrel.
I got a red item.
Wow, of course the one I leave you is red. I could have had Dio's best friend.
Good again.
I
Zen.
do lightning damage near. Just
I know I went to the fucking Skeletor voice. We were talking about Cracker Barrel.
My wife left me.
After I shot my entire
Yeah, I'll fix it.
Cracker Barrel, I'll never piss the same again.
I actually need the Senzu Bean this time. Or I want the Senzu Bean.
You're a sensu, bitch. You can see it,
Mostly
but I
because I need a
dab
no
while
shit
saying
button. I need a no shit button for when enemies get behind me.
that. I feel like I need a no shit button, because it's always like, I'm doing fine, I'm doing fine. Why am I dead?
Because I have the riot shield, which blocks damage from in front of me.
I'm familiar with how shields work, Aiden.
Okay, but it blocks all damage from in front
No,
of
yeah,
me.
QWERTY used it. I've seen it. I don't know why I say no, yeah. That's a colloquial thing from somewhere I live.
it's a
Nah,
common
yeah.
thing.
Yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah.
Well, that's Australian and highly contextual.
Whee!
The boss spawns. Anyone playing as Goku? Alright, legend.
Alright, legend.
Yeah, I think it was a
Someone-
good idea to get.
Says, I'm gonna try playing Dark Souls. Gundyr. Alright, legend.
You're going to die.
Do it for exposure.
None of the
I'm not gonna
spirits.
pay you.
It's not
Wisp,
you, it's me.
like
What are you saying?
I can't fucking talk. Is what I'm saying.
Noted.
Oh no, I want.
Not a
Sure.
bad choice.
It works because I have an achievement I have to get.
I
have
don't
to
see
kill
any
something.
more chests and stuff like that.
There's a healing drone
Where
right here,
the
Hmm.
teleporter is.
but I don't have enough. I need
What,
one
Aiden?
more.
I'm assuming the teleporter is over where you are. Oh yeah, I see the particles.
I literally need one more coin. One more
I
dollar.
don't know where it is, Aiden. I might be pretty close to it though.
Yeah, I think you are.
One
I
more,
mean, it's
please.
not like I already said that I know where it is now. I'm working on it. I have 2 people here.
No, I just find it funny that I can phase through the damn thing.
Why must nothing
Imagine having
spawn
trouble
near
killing
me?
people. Dumbass nerd.
All I
Imagine
asked
getting
for is
frozen.
spawn.
I didn't. I blocked it.
There we go.
I don't know what you're talking about. I literally blocked the damn thing.
Well, you stop moving, so shut up.
And well, that's because I have the fucking riot shield, and it slows me down.
I was wrong, but you shush. You don't know what you're talking about. No. You
Like, a riot shield.
starts fucking
A block.
gaslighting you. Oh, hey, Ash is here. Saw someone get struck
Yeah.
by the might of Zeus.
I thought that was a good way to introduce my presence.
Oh god, my oh shit button. It wasn't an oh shit button. Eden, I was right.
What?
I need my oh shit button.
Oh, hello.
Hello there.
Hello, Gordon.
And look at
Hello,
that.
Gordon.
My shit's not fucked. Yeah, I don't have the spirit bomb. It's fine, we
I
can deal
shit
with it.
sucks.
Yeah, no, we got this.
Yeah, I do a lot of damage with.
I
my
also
thing.
use the Kaio boost with Kaioken, so
Yeah.
pretty helpful.
Ibs.
Oh, gotta stabilize my body. Damn.
Get up. Get away from that shit, you motherfucker. I was not gonna let you.
Aiden, how do I train my Kaioken again?
You
Yeah.
just gotta have the Kaioken on.
I
Oh,
don't even have to strike.
Just remember I opened up a portal. So don't, like, use the teleporter, go through the portal.
Okay.
Now.
Because I've on several occasions used a new statue and then gone through the teleporter normally.
Oh yeah,
Instead
all
of
the
going
time.
through the portal.
Last time was.
It was
a complete
worse when I
accident.
was trying to get the fucking.
Dude, you did that so many
Artificer.
times when you were trying to get it on my end.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. And then Charlie, I'm gonna need you to fly down and we can unlock Acrid.
What? Oh, Acrid.
Yeah.
How far down?
So you're gonna fly down until you see, like, a part that goes off to the side, and then you just fly down there.
I got a logbook. Wait, I'm gonna.
Yeah,
what?
there's a log down there. So you just fly down until you find a part that stops going down. Like, it doesn't go down, and it goes, like, away.
Oh, I found it.
Oh, okay, hang on, let me charge. I want to be able to, keep flying.
Oh, that did not have collision.
What, Aiden?
I tried jumping on a rock, but it didn't have collision, so I just fell through it.
Rip.
There's a portal.
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
I'm just gonna eat this.
Do I want to go through the portal?
Yeah,
I
go
wanna
through the
go
portal.
I'm going
I
through the
want to
portal.
Ow! What the fuck?
Portal.
Weedle.
Poidle.
Portal.
I haven't
Dude,
done this.
Poidle.
it's glow up.
Hidden round Voidfield. I've never been here.
I don't know what we're doing.
I don't either.
You gotta fight some dudes. That's pretty much it. It'll actually like give them items too.
Fucking strike one down with lightning.
Clap of Zeus's ass cheeks. Don't expect me to do much. I'm just training my Kaioken.
Omni-Man can destroy the planet with a clap of his ass cheeks.
Oh, definitely. Like, that's not even a question. I'm fairly certain if Krillin sat down too hard, the Earth would shatter as well.
Yeah.
Like, you do that thing when you're, like, decompressing, you get back after a long day, and you just sit down on your chair. If you sit down a little too hard, just the Earth splits in half. God damn it, where's Shenron?
Bulma!
Just hear the Earth shatter in half. God damn it, Krillin.
Look at this. Alright, we gotta go.
Where are we going?
Over here. There's like a beacon in the air. We gotta go over there.
Thank God for flight, am I right?
Yep. Alright, I'm here.
I'm coming. I'm almost here.
Step in my mushrooms. I will supply healing. You supply damage.
Okay, I'm healed. Oh god, you really just die if you step out of this thing.
Yes.
Whoa, God, hey, bird.
See, you step out and you just start dying, you know?
Yo, that's like really deep.
Yeah, I mean...
God, I hate how fast Kaioken says hello.
Yeah, it gets a bit less intense later. Ash stole my kill with the might of Zeus. Alright, let's go, boys.
My bad.
Alright, now where?
God, my bad, my ass.
Oh, I meant to drop that one for you. I'm sorry.
Woo. Ow.
I'm really worthless here.
Have you considered not just trying to power up Kaioken?
Okay.
You can, like, power
I'm
up
up.
your super... Also, did you know you get more mastery if you actually fight things, right?
What? I can't
You
exactly
gain
leave
mastery
the
by
bubble.
fighting.
Do you know how hard it is to track enemies with these damn balls?
I mean, you can leave the bubble. The health drain isn't that intense.
Ow.
Zon's mine.
Yep. You can take the one that should be mine because I took yours and mine. So.
Oh, this one.
Where to now? I didn't see it.
Got it.
I'm regenerating just as
Alright,
fast as I'm taking
Alright,
damage.
Here it is. I found it.
Okay.
I see it in the distance. Bon parpar, bon parpar, bon parpar, bon parpar.
Sticky bomb has been integrated into the cell.
Okay, I'm just gonna need.
That's
drop
right.
Kaioken instead
They
of-
gave the enemies bombs. Oh, I'm just Bastion now.
But I'm already Tracer. Who wants some? Owie, 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 owie.
Ow. Where is the next one?
This
There it is.
way. How am I gonna get up there? I'm gonna have to go around here.
You want me to start it?
Yeah.
Shit.
Don't die. That's lame.
Ow. I'm trying not to, but I'm getting close.
Dying is gay. I'm out.
Imagine if you said that and then fucking died.
Oh god, I'm gonna die.
Ah!
Come on.
Oh wait.
I don't have my oh shit button, Aiden. I don't have my oh shit button, Aiden.
I'm like, I'm gonna die, and then remember I had a sensu bean.
4 of
Oh,
9.
That
God.
fucking, it's that fucking time in DBZA. It's like, did he just remember he could do that? Your father's
I
an
died.
idiot.
Your father's an idiot. Woo!
Is gonna resurrect you or not? God damn.
Resurrected
Oh.
me. Well. Oh, Aiden died.
I swear I'm standing in the circle. Ah, shit.
God, I don't know where anything is.
Did I at least resurrect you before I got disconnected?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Don't worry too much about resurrecting me. Just fucking go.
Okay, I'm just gonna make sure I'm healed a little more.
Or
You
resurrect
can
me.
actually resurrect me.
I don't think I can.
It says that the skull.
I'm
The
trying.
skull though. Is it not draining your health? It doesn't look like it. Just go ahead.
That's so weird.
Has awoken the warrior that lives in my heart,
This is a Super Saiyan.
and I am a Super Saiyan.
God, he won't shut up.
Again?
I don't know.
Wait,
Fucking
where?
pardon.
Where?
I feel like I should be able to resurrect you. This is
Oh,
so
I
weird.
found it.
All right. Yep, I see it.
God damn it. Ah. God, the fun part about doing such high amount of aerial
AoE Gilbert.
AoE, yeah.
You having fun, Aiden?
I mean, I'm just looking at Reddit at this point.
Give me cube. Ah. Alright, where's the next one at? There it is.
Still healing faster than this can damage me. Boy, these are some fucking fast monsters. Let's go. I don't know where I got these teddy bears from. I did not ask for these, but I'll take it.
Ah. Nice. For fuck's sake. I'm about to die.
Don't.
I can try healing you with mushroom. That's not gonna work. Well, that
Oh,
should help.
I-
Fucking birds.
Alright, where's it at? I'm not seeing it. Oh, there
I
it
do.
is.
Nope.
Oh, there he goes, right off the cliff. Jeez, I just...
Hey Aiden, how concerned should we be? It says Brilliant Behemoth was just incorporated.
Oh,
Well, all their attacks now explode. But you also get a legendary item, so.
what legendary item should I get?
Honestly, it's up to you. I got Dio's best friend.
I just, that's trippy. What do we do now?
I do not know. Aiden, you got anything for us? What do we do next?
The void just turned underwater.
Yeah.
It went from space.
Objective is
To-
done now. Like, it doesn't have any objective. There's nothing else to
Let me
pick up.
check something. Just real quick. I think this is it. I think this is final thing.
You just exit through the portal?
Yeah, but I want to check first to make sure.
Right.
Yeah, he's unlocked. Go ahead and leave.
That feels ominous.
Does. We should have an Aiden now.